Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and run a multiple website setup on Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it open up, go right there and it's going to open up this home page. From there in the upper right corner, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. If you have one, go ahead and log in. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page from where we can get started. So from here at the top of the page, we have configuration and site options that are going to enable us to manage our website. And here on the official Odoo.com documentation page, we have an article for running multiple websites. So Odoo allows you to create multiple websites from the same database. This can be useful if you have multiple brands or operating under your organization. So what I suggest for you to do is go to the official odoo.com/documentation page and find this multiple website section right here under configuration. You can get started with following all the steps on how to get started creating a new website, a different website, what the website specific configurations, e-commerce features, customer accounts, all of that is going to be readable right here to go ahead and get started setting it up for a website. So here at the top of the page, you have configuration, from where you can access your settings and get started at creating a new website, as you can see right here, or importing one and following the rest of the article right here. And that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.